Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make TradingView look clean, step by step. We'll start by decluttering your charts, removing any elements that aren't crucial for your analysis. Then, we'll simplify the overall layout, ensuring only essential panels are visible. Finally, we'll refine your color scheme to create a visually appealing and less distracting trading environment. This approach will help you focus better on price action and make quicker, more informed decisions. Next, let's dive into customizing individual chart elements for maximum clarity. We'll adjust your candlestick colors to a consistent, calming palette, making price movements easier to track. Consider hiding volume bars if they don't directly inform your current strategy, freeing up valuable screen space. Also, removing background grid lines and any distracting watermarks will give your charts a much more professional and focused appearance, enhancing your visual analysis. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. On another note, just like a clean chart helps your focus, a clean home helps your peace of mind. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's streamline your TradingView layout and tools for peak efficiency. Consolidate your watch lists and alerts into one organized panel to avoid unnecessary clutter. Minimize the number of visible drawing tools on your toolbar, keeping only your most frequently used ones readily accessible. Learning and utilizing hotkeys for common functions will also significantly speed up your workflow, allowing you to navigate and analyze charts with greater ease and precision.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.